8 surprising foods that can skyrocket your blood sugar. Think you know which foods raise blood sugar? Some of the worst culprits might surprise you. Many so-called healthy options can actually lead to dangerous spikes, making it harder to manage blood sugar levels. Are you unknowingly eating foods that send your blood sugar soaring? Even common staples like cereal, yogurt, or fruit juice might be working against you. In this video, we'll reveal 8 surprising foods that can cause major blood sugar spikes and share smarter alternatives to keep your levels stable. Stay tuned. Keeping blood sugar stable is crucial for overall health, yet many people unknowingly eat foods that cause dangerous spikes. Some of these foods may seem harmless, even healthy, but they can quickly raise glucose levels and make blood sugar management more difficult. The biggest mistake? Focusing only on sugar while ignoring hidden carbs and processed ingredients that trigger spikes just as easily. Even foods labeled as natural or low-fat can have a big impact. Stick around as we uncover 8 surprising foods that could be sabotaging your blood sugar control and offer better alternatives to keep you on track. Number 1. Breakfast cereal. Breakfast cereals are a staple in many households, but they can be one of the worst offenders when it comes to blood sugar spikes. Even cereals that are labeled as healthy, whole grain, or low-fat often contain hidden sugars and refined carbohydrates. These ingredients break down quickly in the body, causing a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. One of the biggest issues with breakfast cereals is that they often have a high glycemic index, meaning they cause a quick spike in blood sugar followed by a crash. This crash can leave you feeling sluggish, hungry, and craving more sugar, which can lead to overeating later in the day. Even cereals that seem healthy, such as granola or bran flakes, can be loaded with added sugars and processed ingredients that contribute to blood sugar instability. Another hidden danger is the portion size. Many people pour themselves a bowl of cereal without measuring, often consuming 2 or 3 times the recommended serving size. This means they're unknowingly eating far more sugar and refined carbs than they realize. Even cereals fortified with vitamins and minerals can still be a problem if they contain high amounts of sugar. So, what can you do instead? A better option is to choose high-fiber, low-sugar alternatives. Plain oatmeal, for example, is a great choice because it contains soluble fiber, which slows digestion and helps keep blood sugar levels steady. Adding chia seeds, flax seeds, or a handful of nuts to your oatmeal can provide additional protein and healthy fats to further stabilize blood sugar. Another alternative is chia pudding, which is packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. It can be made by soaking chia seeds in unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk overnight and adding a natural sweetener like cinnamon or a few berries for flavor. If you prefer something crunchy, a homemade granola made with nuts, seeds, and unsweetened coconut flakes can be a much healthier choice than store-bought granola, which is often loaded with sugar. If you do choose to eat cereal, always check the nutrition label. Look for cereals that are high in fiber, have minimal added sugars, and contain whole ingredients. A good rule of thumb is to choose cereals with at least 5 grams of fiber per serving and less than 5 grams of added sugar. By making simple swaps and being mindful of ingredients, you can enjoy a satisfying breakfast without the blood sugar spikes that come with traditional breakfast cereals. Number 2. Fruit juices. Many people believe that fruit juice is a healthy alternative to soda, but the truth is that even 100% fruit juice can cause major blood sugar spikes. While fruit itself contains fiber, which slows down sugar absorption, juice removes that fiber, leaving behind a concentrated source of natural sugars. This means your body absorbs the sugar quickly, leading to a sharp rise in blood sugar levels. One of the biggest problems with fruit juice is that it can be just as bad as soda in terms of sugar content. For example, an 8-ounce glass of orange juice contains around 23 grams of sugar, about the same as a can of soda. Even juices with no added sugar still contain high amounts of fructose, which can lead to insulin resistance and increase the risk of type 2 diabetes over time. Another issue is portion size. Since juice lacks fiber and doesn't make you feel full, it's easy to drink large amounts without realizing it. You might think you're making a healthy choice by drinking a big glass of juice with breakfast, but in reality, you're consuming a large dose of sugar in liquid form, which digests quickly and causes blood sugar to rise rapidly. A better alternative is to eat whole fruits instead of drinking juice. Whole fruits contain fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that help slow down sugar absorption and provide steady energy. For example, eating an apple with the skin on provides fiber that helps regulate blood sugar, whereas a glass of apple juice delivers sugar straight into your bloodstream without the fiber to slow it down. If you really love juice and don't want to give it up completely, try diluting it with water. Mixing half juice and half water can reduce the sugar concentration while still giving you some flavor. Another option is to infuse water with slices of fresh fruit like lemon, berries, or cucumber for a refreshing, naturally flavored drink without the sugar overload. For a truly blood sugar-friendly option, stick to drinks like herbal teas, lemon water, or simply plain water. These keep you hydrated without the risk of sugar spikes. By swapping out fruit juice for whole fruits and healthier beverages, you'll keep your blood sugar more stable and feel better throughout the day. Number 3. Flavored yogurt. Yogurt is often seen as a healthy choice, packed with probiotics and protein, but not all yogurts are created equal. Many flavored yogurts, especially the ones marketed as low-fat or light, are loaded with added sugars to enhance flavor. In fact, some flavored yogurts contain as much sugar as a candy bar or dessert, making them a hidden culprit for blood sugar spikes. One of the biggest problems with flavored yogurt is that it can contain 15 to 30 grams of sugar per serving, depending on the brand and flavor. This is especially concerning because yogurt is often eaten as a breakfast or snack, meaning you could be unknowingly consuming a large dose of sugar first thing in the morning. Even fruit-flavored yogurts, which seem healthy, often contain syrups or fruit purees that add even more sugar to the mix. Another issue is the way yogurt is marketed. Many people choose low-fat or fat-free yogurts, thinking they are the healthiest option. However, when fat is removed, manufacturers often add more sugar to make up for the lost creaminess and flavor. This makes low-fat yogurts a hidden source of sugar that can spike blood sugar levels and lead to energy crashes later in the day. A much better option is to choose plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is higher in protein, which helps keep you full and slows down sugar absorption. Since it has no added sugar, it won't cause the same blood sugar spikes as flavor varieties. To make your yogurt naturally sweet and more enjoyable, try adding fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a few chopped nuts. Berries provide natural sweetness along with fiber and antioxidants, while cinnamon has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels. Nuts add healthy fats and protein, which can further slow sugar absorption and keep you satisfied for longer. If you're craving more flavor, you can also mix in a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder or a drizzle of pure vanilla extract. These add richness without the need for extra sugar. By swapping flavored yogurt for plain Greek yogurt with natural toppings, you'll avoid unnecessary sugar while still enjoying a delicious, nutritious snack. This simple change can make a big difference in keeping your blood sugar stable and supporting overall health. Number 4. White rice. White rice is a staple food in many diets, but it can be a hidden trigger for blood sugar spikes. Despite being a common side dish, white rice is highly processed, meaning it has been stripped of its fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Without fiber, it digests quickly and turns into sugar almost immediately after you eat it, leading to sharp increases in blood sugar levels. One of the biggest concerns with white rice is its high glycemic index, GI. The glycemic index measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar, and white rice ranks very high, similar to white bread and sugary snacks. This means that even though it may seem like a simple, harmless carbohydrate, white rice can cause rapid spikes and crashes, leaving you feeling tired and hungry soon after eating. Many people think that pairing white rice with protein or vegetables is enough to slow down its impact, but even in balanced meals, it can still contribute to insulin resistance over time. Studies have shown that diets high in white rice are linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, especially when consumed regularly. The good news is that there are plenty of healthier alternatives. Brown rice is a much better choice because it still contains fiber, which slows down sugar absorption and prevents extreme spikes. Quinoa is another great alternative. It's high in protein and fiber, making it more blood sugar friendly while still providing a similar texture to rice. If you're looking for a low-carb option, cauliflower rice is an excellent substitute. It's packed with nutrients and has a much lower glycemic impact, making it ideal for blood sugar control. If you do eat white rice occasionally, portion control is key. Try mixing it with fiber-rich vegetables or legumes to slow digestion. You can also cool cooked rice and reheat it later. This process forms resistant starch, which slightly lowers its glycemic impact. By swapping white rice for healthier options, you'll not only prevent blood sugar spikes but also get more nutrients and long-lasting energy from your meals. Making this simple switch can go a long way in supporting overall health and keeping blood sugar levels in check. Number 5. Granola bars. Granola bars are often marketed as a healthy, on-the-go snack, but many of them are packed with hidden sugars and refined carbohydrates. While they may seem like a better alternative to candy bars, some granola bars actually contain just as much sugar, sometimes even more. The problem starts with the ingredients. Many granola bars include honey, syrups, dried fruits with added sugar, and chocolate coatings. These ingredients can quickly add up, turning what seems like a nutritious snack into a blood sugar bomb. Even bars labeled as low-fat or high-protein often contain high levels of sweeteners to improve taste, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar. Another issue is refined grains. Many granola bars are made with processed oats or puffed rice, which lack fiber and protein to slow down digestion. Without these essential nutrients, the sugars in the bar enter your bloodstream quickly, causing a surge in blood sugar followed by an inevitable crash. This can leave you feeling sluggish, hungry, and craving more sugar soon after eating. If you want to enjoy granola bars without the negative effects, be sure to read the nutrition label carefully. Look for bars with minimal added sugar, preferably less than 5 grams per serving, and at least 3 to 5 grams of fiber to help slow down sugar absorption. Ingredients like nuts, seeds, and whole grains are better choices because they provide protein and healthy fats, keeping blood sugar stable. Even better, consider making your own granola bars at home. Using natural ingredients like unsweetened nuts, seeds, and a touch of natural sweeteners like cinnamon or mashed banana can create a blood sugar-friendly snack without all the added sugars and processed ingredients. If you're grabbing a store-bought option, stick to bars with whole, simple ingredients and avoid those with high fructose corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, or long ingredient lists filled with unrecognizable additives. Small changes like these can make a big difference in keeping blood sugar levels stable while still enjoying a convenient snack. Number 6. Low-fat salad dressings. Many people choose low-fat salad dressings, thinking they're making a healthier choice. However, what most don't realize is that when manufacturers remove fat, they often replace it with sugar, artificial flavors, and additives to make up for the lost taste and texture. A typical low-fat dressing can contain several teaspoons of added sugar per serving, which can cause unexpected blood sugar spikes. Ingredients like high fructose corn syrup, maltodextrin, and modified food starch are commonly used to thicken and sweeten these dressings, making them more harmful than they seem. Another problem with low-fat dressings is that they reduce your body's ability to absorb fat-soluble vitamins from vegetables. Vitamins A, D, E, and K require healthy fats for proper absorption, meaning that a salad with low-fat dressing may not provide all the nutritional benefits you expect. Instead of using store-bought low-fat dressings, consider making your own at home. A simple mix of olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, and spices can create a delicious and healthy alternative without unnecessary sugar and preservatives. Olive oil, in particular, contains heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which not only enhance the flavor of your salad but also help stabilize blood sugar levels. If you prefer a creamy dressing, try using Greek yogurt or avocado as a base. These options provide a rich texture without the added sugars found in processed low-fat dressings. Reading ingredient labels is also crucial. Look for dressings with minimal ingredients, avoiding those with added sugars, corn syrup, or artificial thickeners. By switching to natural, full-fat dressings with healthy ingredients, you can enjoy your salads without worrying about blood sugar spikes. Plus, you'll be getting the full benefits of the vitamins and nutrients in your vegetables, making your meal even healthier. Number 7. Canned soup. Canned soups may seem like a quick and convenient meal, but they often contain hidden sugars and refined carbohydrates that can spike blood sugar levels. Many brands add sugar, corn syrup, and modified food starch to enhance flavor and texture. Even soups labeled as healthy or low-fat can contain these ingredients, making them a sneaky source of extra carbs. Another issue with canned soup is its high sodium content. Excess sodium can lead to water retention and increased blood pressure, which is especially concerning for people managing diabetes or other metabolic conditions. Some soups also contain artificial preservatives and flavor enhancers, which may negatively affect overall health. Cream-based soups, like tomato bisque or potato soup, are often the worst offenders. These soups are thickened with flour, cornstarch, or even mashed potatoes, making them high in fast-digesting carbs. Even vegetable-based soups may have added sugars to balance acidity and improve taste. To make a healthier choice, check nutrition labels carefully. Look for soups with minimal added sugars, starches, and preservatives. Broth-based soups with lean protein and fiber-rich vegetables are the best options. If you find a low-carb, low-sugar option, you can enhance it by adding extra vegetables or protein at home. The best way to control what goes into your soup is to make it from scratch. Homemade soups allow you to use fresh, whole ingredients without unnecessary additives. You can prepare a large batch and store portions in the fridge or freezer for quick, healthy meals. A simple broth-based soup with lean meats, non-starchy vegetables, and herbs can be a satisfying, blood sugar-friendly option. By avoiding highly processed canned soups and opting for homemade or low-carb alternatives, you can enjoy a warm, comforting meal without the risk of unexpected blood sugar spikes. Number 8. Coffee drinks. Coffee itself is naturally low in calories and carbs, making it a great choice for people watching their blood sugar. However, specialty coffee drinks loaded with syrups, flavored creamers, and whipped toppings can turn your morning cup into a sugar bomb. Some popular coffeehouse drinks contain more sugar than a can of soda, leading to rapid blood sugar spikes and energy crashes. Even seemingly harmless additions like caramel drizzle or vanilla syrup can add up quickly. A single pump of flavored syrup can contain up to 5 grams of sugar, and most drinks have multiple pumps. Whipped cream and sweetened milk alternatives, such as oat or almond milk, can also increase the sugar content without you realizing it. Another issue is the combination of caffeine and sugar. While caffeine can temporarily boost alertness, pairing it with high sugar intake may lead to insulin resistance over time. This is especially concerning for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. If you enjoy coffee, stick to black coffee or unsweetened options. If you need a little extra flavor, try adding a splash of heavy cream, unsweetened almond milk, or cinnamon. Natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit can also be used instead of sugar-laden syrups. Cold brew, Americano, and espresso shots are great alternatives to sugar-heavy coffee drinks. If you enjoy lattes, opt for unsweetened milk and request fewer pumps of syrup or none at all. Making coffee at home gives you full control over ingredients, allowing you to enjoy your favorite flavors without unnecessary sugar. By being mindful of what goes into your coffee, you can still enjoy your daily caffeine fix without causing blood sugar spikes. Key takeaways. Throughout this video, we've uncovered 8 surprising foods that can send your blood sugar soaring. These include breakfast cereals, fruit juices, flavored yogurt, white rice, granola bars, low-fat salad dressings, canned soups, and specialty coffee drinks. While some of these may seem like healthy choices, hidden sugars and refined carbs can make them problematic for blood sugar control. Understanding why these foods spike blood sugar is crucial. Many of them are processed and stripped of fiber, meaning they break down into sugar quickly. Others have added sweeteners or refined starches that cause sharp glucose spikes and energy crashes. Over time, these fluctuations can lead to insulin resistance, increased cravings, and even a higher risk of diabetes complications. The good news? You can make simple swaps to avoid these blood sugar pitfalls. Choose plain, high-fiber alternatives like oatmeal instead of sugary cereals, whole fruits instead of juice, and plain Greek yogurt instead of flavor varieties. Swap white rice for brown rice or quinoa, and always check ingredient labels on granola bars, salad dressings, and canned soups. When it comes to coffee, stick with unsweetened options to keep your drink diabetes-friendly. By being mindful of these hidden sugar traps, you can take control of your diet, maintain steady energy levels, and keep your blood sugar balanced. Making these small changes can lead to big improvements in your overall health and well-being. Avoiding these sneaky blood sugar traps can make a big difference in your health. Small changes, like choosing whole foods over processed ones, can help keep your energy levels steady and support long-term blood sugar control. Which of these foods surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diabetes-friendly tips. See you in the next video.